Hello guys, welcome back to Dino Codes. So today we will be seeing the demo of my new project. It's a chat-based AI assistant, BroCodes, that will help us by coding and implementing these small features and make some code changes for us. Right now we're on the projects tab. Here we will manage all the projects. So to work with this, we need a Git repo. So let's use this sample Git repo. Let's paste the link here and let's give it a name to do app. Once we add this project, it will be cloned into the app and then we can use it for chatting with like assistant. So right now the project is cloned. We're on the preview tab. Here we can start the live preview and it will install and start the app for us. It's starting. Yeah, now we can see the live preview of our app. Okay, yeah, that's great. Everything looks fine. Let's try testing by adding some to-dos. And yeah, it is working. So that's great. We also have the functionality to test the app on different screen sizes. So just to get a better idea of responsiveness of overall like website. Yeah, everything is working fine. What I'm thinking is like to move this button to the right side of the input box. So input box and button is like in one row, and we can like ask it to move the to-dos at the bottom later. Yeah, so let's ask the assistant to like do the stuff for us. Also, we need to like tell him to keep the responsiveness so button doesn't look like too bad on the small screen. Yes, and we also need to give it a context of the file from the repo. For that, either we can use this project files pop-up or like we can directly use at the rate uh, from the input box. So I know that the file isn't like the component is to do form. We'll use that and send it to assistant. In future, we will automate this using agent, but for now we have to do it manually. And we have got the response, and you can see that it says it updated the to-do form with YumUI box and flex display with like horizontal wrapping and all that stuff. It also tells us about the updated files and in the instructions with a note. And yeah, we can either like use this single apply button or we can use apply all button to apply all the changes to the file. And yeah, file. So the changes have been successfully applied. And yes, we can see that like it's right now responsive and also like it's on in a single row. So guys, this is the demo of the BroCodes and AI assistant. This is the project tab that I showed in the beginning. Here we can pull, push, and do the Git related changes. Right now, some stuff is in development. So this is the file manager. We can here manually update the files and save it. It is very helpful when there are some issues with the AI code. So we can take a manual control over here. And at last we have Git status where we can see the current branch and other things. Right now, it's also in development. I'm thinking to implement the Git things in here. So yeah, this is the full demo of the BroCodes. This is a very basic prototype that I built. I'm thinking to add more features to it. So thank you guys for staying till the end. See you soon.